Hi, Marlon here, Southwest for the Softwas. Let's get done through cleaning this medical building. This is window cleaning, exterior only, and this is our quarterly account. And if you guys in the market for window cleaning for your business office, if you have a dirty windows this spring, or if you're residential, you have a need to have a driveway cleaning, even your roof was cleaning, window cleaning, give us a call. I'll be happy to come and help you guys with your cleaning needs. This will all be like 15% off this spring. You guys book us for your exterior cleaning for your business or our home. It's gonna be 50% off. So you guys, thank you for following my page, and of course check us on the YouTube, guys. So again, this is Marlon of Southwest Florida, Southwest Florida Softwas. Sorry about that, guys. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye bye.